Hey class, just want to get you folks started on our new online version of the class. And it's going to take me a little bit to get some of the lectures up so I can cover some new content for you. But for right now, I want to get you folks working on your own and on your stuff and give you an idea of how we're going to be going forward. This week, we want to be working on that second script installment. As I said, it was going to be due last week. We bumped it to this week. At least I did. Hopefully, you knew that. And I want to show you how we're going to try to work on that and still get a peer review into it. Okay. So if you scroll down to the second writing drop box, which is where we are, um, let me just show you what we've got going on right now. Okay. So right now I've got three submissions in there, okay, in SpeedGrader. And then in addition, you also have peer reviews. And so if you click on peer reviews, this shows you who is assigned to whom. And if you do the student view, you should be able to see the people that you're assigned to. So each person has two scripts assigned. So that means you're going to be reading two. That also means each person has their script being read by two people, which was the way we were going to do it in class. So if you go through, there's a little exclamation point by the scripts that you still have to read. If you scroll down here, once it's done, you will actually see a check mark. What you're going to do is you're going to read the scripts, I believe, through the SpeedGrader. So let me get back out of here again and look back at the SpeedGrader. There we go. So clicking on there. So there we go. We have some assignment comments on here. And let me see if there are any more on there. So when the scripts actually come in, just select it, and then you can actually go through and you can read it and make the comments on it. You can also annotate directly in the script. I'm not sure if that works in peer reviews, but it should. So if you find something you want to make an addition to, highlight something, and then you can make a comment about that too in case you see something you want to change or something you like. Okay, this is a process. We're going to be figuring out how to do it. This is the first time I've ever done peer reviews in this class too, using actually doing it inside of Canvas. So we'll see how this goes. If you folks have any issues or problems with it or questions about it, shoot me an email and I will try to rectify the situation. So that's what we're going to be working on this week. For next week, I'm going to be putting some new stuff up. We'll be moving into AV scripts and the spec script and things like that. And there's a way I can put you folks into groups to actually work on those, and we'll build some Google Docs and all that kind of stuff. But just want to get you folks going on these script installments, and then for next week, we'll be working on something else. Steady as we go. All right, thanks everybody.